Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Friday Night Gab and Smudge is right here with me. As you might know by now, I have a new baby in the house and the boys are none too happy about it. Smudge is more accepting. She's down on the floor right here. Smudge is more accepting of her. He has batted her around a couple times, well, just like a swat. But Blue has like whapped her really good, like 2 times that I've seen, and she's only out with them when I'm at home. So but yeah, she gets right on him because she wants to get to know them. But Blue is I think he'll come around. Blue is the more mild-mannered one of the 2 boys, so I think he'll come around eventually. But yeah, that's what's going on at my house. So Camille is the baby's name, and anyway, yeah. So let's see what else is new. I can't believe it's June. What do y'all think about that? Weren't we just doing advent calendars? That's how I feel. I feel like the year is going like this, which may be a good thing because it's not the best year of most anybody's life that I've heard of. I haven't heard any fabulous stories. Smudge is sitting on my things, but I was going to show you. This is the lipstick that I got in the Ipsy $9 bag, the little $9 bag. And I did get a lip pencil with it, but the lip pencil is, Smudge, can you sit down? It's dark. No, I don't know where it's at. Is that it? No, that's not it. It's dark. So it'll go with other things. I don't know. I might have, who knows where it's at. But this is the lippy. It's MAC. And I only have one other MAC lipstick. This is gorgeous. It's a really wonderful blue-red. And the color name, what was the color name? Oh, I'm gonna have to get out the magnifying glass for that. Ruby Woo. Ruby WOO. And so I used this liner. And this is, I picked it because of what it looks like there. Thought it would go well with it. And most of my liners have a little burgundy in it or something. And yeah, I don't know where it is right now. It was right here and now it seems to be missing. Oh, this is the real her is what I got. So see how that's more of a burgundy. It'll go with other things. But so I used this one, and then this one worked really well. And then I was looking to see what the name was so I can tell y'all. And of course, it's Huda. You know, my favorite stuff. This is in Heartbreaker. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I think she's over by Blue. So anyway, so that's what I'm wearing. So just wanted to share that with y'all. And what else is new? A few things, you know, y'all, if you haven't seen my videos this week, I appreciate y'all so much for watching my videos. I really do. I know that I have my loyal true and true people that watch every video. And but this has been a week that I got, I mean, I'm still astounded by it. I got a Nomad palette. Oh shoot, I was gonna bring it out to show you. But anyway, it's the brand new Nomad palette. It is, I forgot the name of it because it's a safari name. I don't have it in front of me. So I'll never be able to say it right without looking exactly at the word. But it's fantastic. And I mean, it is Nomad. And I only have one other Nomad palette, and I've been using it all week. I've been, anything that you've seen me in this week mostly has been that palette. I did not use it this evening. I went more with a red, white, and blue look this evening. So today I'm using, what is the palette I used? I can't remember anything. I'll have to stop and go get those palettes to show you. Let me just, here comes Smudge back. This is the palette that I'm wearing, that I have been wearing most of the week, Okavango Safari. I got it last week and I showed it to you on Saturday. I think I got it on Friday and showed it to you on Saturday. I forget with the holiday, what day's what. Y'all, this has been a long week. Smudge, it's just been a long week. And having the baby and getting this palette, and yeah. So it's been a long week and work has been tremendous. End of month, beginning of the month, always rough on me. So what I have on my eyes is a Ciate London Royal Edition. This I got from a wonderful subscriber, Brenda Bolts. And I just have, There's a lot in here that I'm not sure about. There's a lot of oranges and things. So I'm trying to use it because I want to use things that my friends sent me. So I did sort of a red, white, and blue look today. That's what I have on. So let's get back to what was I talking about? Okay. Without smudge, it just keeps getting in my way here. So also I got my Chic Beauty Box. That is a bi-monthly subscription that I get for PR, y'all. I mean, Nomad and Chic Beauty Box, and I'm so excited. I do get PR, if y'all have noticed. I get some different things, not necessarily beauty community related, but I like, you know, I show everything. If somebody asks me to do something, I will, and I do what they ask me to do. Sometimes they just want an Instagram post, but if they want a video, or if they're not sure, I always make a YouTube video also. So I have those cute little fairy lights this week, and all too, those are so cute. And I'll tell you, there's so many, there's 16 of them. I'm probably gonna put a few in a giveaway because they're just, there's too many for me to use. And I think that y'all, somebody will really like them, you know, come the holiday time and stuff. And Glossybox is having a big outlet sale. It's been going on for a while, so I wonder if they're gonna just keep the outlet opened. And I've heard some rumors. They're just rumors, y'all. I've heard other channels and some friends say that they think Glossybox is going out of business. They have stopped sending to Canada. And so I don't know what's going on with that, but when I first started my channel, Glossybox, I was getting the sister company, what is that one? Beautiful, Look Fantastic. I was getting that originally. And then I started getting Glossybox, and I just love Glossybox. Became my favorite box, my absolute favorite box. But they're a wonderful company. If you don't have any trouble, if you have any any questions, they really can't answer any questions. They're very polite, and that's all they do is run you around. It's like YouTube. It's like my problems with YouTube. Shaking the camera there, sorry. So I decided to stop supporting them because they were not answering my questions. They were not helping me. I had some faulty products or something. I can't remember really what all the reason was. So, and then I got their advent calendar last fall, or paid for it, bought it, and then didn't get it. And so see, I had trouble with them on that too. And that was a big sordid deal. I won't go into it all. So they're just very difficult to communicate unless you're in a good mood. I mean, I shouldn't say that. I'm not in a bad mood because of it. They put you in a bad mood because they don't answer. They don't tell you what they're going to do. And yeah. So anyway, let's get off of that subject. But what I brought it up for was they have this outlet going on, and they have some boxes that are $20, some are $15, they were $10, and now the $10 boxes are down to $7 a box. So you can get some good bargains. I have gotten some. I still have some more to show you. I ended up ordering 8 boxes altogether, and I've received 7. There's one I don't think I'm going to get, which is fine. They did send me, I did show you a box, I think it was 2022 Christmas box, and that would have been $20, and I didn't pay that. I paid $10 boxes, and I paid $7 boxes. I think I got one $15 box, which is supposed to be in my pile of boxes that I have over there, because I looked at, you know, they show what shipped out, and I didn't get one of the boxes. One of the $7 boxes I bought, I got a $20 Christmas box. So I showed you all that the other day. It was really nice. So the only thing is I do know a few people that ordered the more expensive boxes and got the cheaper boxes. So it's fine if they replace them for something better, but not something worse. Or not, I shouldn't say worse, because they're not bad. They're good little boxes. So that's what I wanted to tell you. If you decide to order from the outlet, don't get upset with them if you get the wrong box, because just, you know, it's like a crapshoot. Hopefully if you get the wrong box, it'll be an upgrade from what you paid for. I hope that makes sense, okay? And they don't charge you until they actually ship them out, so that's good. Okay, and then I've got my house situation. Besides this whole, I think she's playing with a box down there. So she's a happy little girl, which is so good. my house is done with construction. The roof, the attic, the ceiling in the bedroom, everything is finalized and done and looks wonderful. My outside shutter, there were a few things going on, and I don't know if I told you all this, but I had the guy that used to do my yard work retired, and the kid that he had take over for him doesn't do what the older guy did. So I had a lot of stuff like bushes and stuff around the house that had grown up. So I had someone come and cut all that stuff down. Well, I have a shed out there that looks like a little house. It's on a cement slab, and it has shingle roof like a house does. And some of the shingles were bent back. So I figured it had to have been from that storm. So I talked to the insurance, or I thought I talked to the insurance about what to do. I left them a message, an email, and they called me when they called on my cell phone and I didn't get the call. But the guy left me a very nice, like 10-minute message of what I needed to do. So I got an estimate from my guy that's been doing this work and sent it to them. And the person that responded was someone that I didn't talk to yet, and he didn't agree and thought, it turns out, I did talk to him today actually. He thought it was the roof that had been already fixed. So he thought, so anyway, but because I talked to too many people, I thought that they were, in your claim number, I thought they were keeping track of things. So make sure if you ever have to have a claim, whether it's for your car or your house or whatever the case might be, keep records. Keep records. I have a file of emails that we've exchanged back and forth, and pictures and estimates and things like that. Keep a file. So I emailed the guy a couple times because he sent me a little bit of money, and it wasn't going to be anywhere near anything to cover it. So I emailed him several times and he didn't answer. So I've been trying to call them, and I get voicemails. And so I looked online the other day, actually yesterday. I looked online yesterday and found my claim number. And you have to sign in for all that. And there was a place, it said it was done. I'm like, it's not done. So there was a place at the bottom, are you satisfied? Are you not satisfied? So I clicked, I'm not satisfied. And they asked why. So I explained that I had emailed the guy a couple times and didn't hear back from him. Well, call me today. And he was very, very nice. I will say that. They've been a great insurance company. They've been very, very nice. He said he was so sorry. He thought that it was additional problems to my house roof. He didn't realize it was a shed, and there was no messages in the claim to that effect. So we talked about it, and he agreed that the estimate that my guy gave is a good estimate, and so they're going to be sending me the money. They're not sending all the money. They do. I don't know if you call it replacement insurance. I don't know what they call it anymore, but they send you a portion of the money, and then when you get all the work done, they do like a depreciation is what they do. And then when you get all the work done, you can turn in your bills, and then they will send you additional money, and hopefully that will cover most of it except my deductible, which is huge. But I think house insurance deductible is huge. That's the way life is. So anyway, I didn't complain, but I did have to, it sort of bothers me because this is how life is. It's like you have to be negative. And I was very nice. I tried to be nice, but I said, it's not finished. We're not done. That I wasn't satisfied. I tried to be nice about it. And it's like you have to be, why can't things just be done the way that should have been done? So anyway, but it's getting done, so I'm happy about that. So that is my gripe for the week. But I'm glad it's going to be getting done. My guys think that they'll be able to do it next week and be done. And they don't have to come in the house. They don't have to bother the cats or anything. Thank goodness. This is all outside. I won't even see them. So I'll just, I don't know how he's going to send me his bill, but he will. I just want to remind you, as usual, I usually have a couple of giveaways going on. My treasure trove giveaway is always going on. And I have a Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle battle going on with Johanna from JM Unboxing and More. And that started last week, so it'll go through next week. So there's about a week left, maybe a day less than a week. I don't know, remember if it ends next Thursday or Wednesday, I forget which day, but you got a few days to go see that. Go watch mine, go watch hers, tell us who you like better, and enter enter the giveaway. I forgot to tell y'all to say something. I usually tell you to say FFF, but I forgot. So I'll enter everybody, and if I get somebody that doesn't want to win, that's okay. You don't have to win. I'll contact you, and we'll go from there. So that is it for now. Time is fleeting, y'all. It's going by so fast. I mean, I feel like the next time I talk to y'all, it's going to be Christmas. I mean, I can't keep up. So y'all, thank you for being here. I want to tell you, before the holiday, I was 3 days behind on my comments, and now I am 9 days behind on my comments. So I do apologize. I don't know how that happened. How did I not answer a million comments over the holiday weekend? I did. Do y'all see my comments? When you comment and then I answer your comment, do y'all see that? Somebody was telling me it's possible you're not seeing my comments, but some of you answer me, so maybe you are. But anyway, yeah. Thank you. I always want to thank you because y'all mean so much to me, and y'all help me through each and every day, and thank you for being here. Thank you. And y'all have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe. It's summer now, I guess. Is it summer everywhere? I mean, summer doesn't really happen to what, like June 21 or something like that, but it's summer here where I live. It's summer. So, and I know that some of y'all up north have even been saying it's 90. I'm like, what? We haven't had 90 yet. Today probably hit about 87. I think tomorrow's supposed to be 90. And then it's probably no going back, no sliding back. So we've had a nice long spring. If you want to call it spring, not in the 50s and 60s like I'd like, but more in the 70s, high 70s, low 80s. That is spring-like here, so I'll take it. I would love that the whole summer. Okay, Smudge, you want to say goodbye? He's back around, y'all. Thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. And this, I don't think I showed you the Nomad palette real quick, but that's it, okay? So again, there's a lot of neutrals in here that I love. I love these greens. Not necessarily my comfort zone, but I've been wearing them, so I've been really enjoying it. So thank you all for stopping by, and count your blessings. Have a fantastic weekend, and hopefully someday soon this boy will be loving our little girl. Right, Smudge? Love y'all. Take care. Bye-bye.